Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how can you set up Google Ads call conversion tracking. By the end of this video, you will understand what is call conversion tracking, why it is important, and how can we set up this. Four things every service business needs to understand. First on, what is call conversion tracking? Second, how does it actually work? Then, types and subtypes of call conversion tracking. After that, why it's critical for service business. First of all, we will know what is call conversion tracking. Call conversion tracking is a feature of Google Ads that helps you track phone calls generated by your ads. It tells you how many people called your business after seeing or clicking your ad. So you can measure which ads are actually bringing you potential customers. This makes it easier to understand your ad performance and make better decision about your advertising budget. So I think you understand properly what is Google Ads call conversion tracking. Okay. For service business, the phone is the real conversion. Without call conversion tracking, Google Ads only sees a click and a page visit. The call itself happens completely off platform. Your best leads look identical to your worst ones. Optimization decisions get made on incomplete data. And with call conversion tracking, calls are measured and reported as a real conversion. You see which campaigns, ads, and keywords drive calls. Quality threshold filter out junk and short calls. Every ad dollar can be judged by real business outcomes. The forwarding number is the engine behind the whole system. A customer clicks a Google ad and lands on the business website. After that, Google identifies this as an eligible and interaction. The phone number displayed on the site is dynamically swapped for a unique Google forwarding number, invisible to the customer. When the customer calls that number, Google routes the call through the real business line. Because Google controls the forwarding number, it can match the call back to the exact ad interaction that generated it. On Google Ads call conversion tracking have two types and two subtypes. Type 1 calls from ad and type 2 calls from website visit. After that, calls from website visit have two subtypes like number shown and number click. Calls from ads. The customers call directly from the ad. No website in the loop. How it used? Customer taps the call button directly on the ad extension. Delivered through a call asset on a responsive search ad. Google use a forwarding number where eligible for reporting. Best for high urgency services like emergencies, repairs, plumbing, locksmith, and type 2 calls from website visit. There have two subtype. Okay. The customer visit the site first, but only on subtype measure a real call. First on, someone clicks a number shown on my website. It it will measure a real phone call. Okay. Use the same dynamic forwarding number mechanism as ads. The number on the page changes for eligible visitor and an actual completed call is required for it register. For service businesses, This is the option that reflect a genuine customer inquiry. And second, someone clicks a number to call from my website. Measures a click, not a call. Mainly used on mobile. It records a tap on the phone number. It cannot confirm the calls was completed, connected, or how long it lasted. For service businesses, useful a useful as a secondary signal, never as proof of real lead. Okay, what happens without proper setup? Google's automated bidding optimize toward whatever it can measure. If calls are invisible, it optimizes away from your best performing ads. Cost per leads look worse than it is. Real conversion go uncounted. Inflating your apparent cost per lead and making profitable campaigns look like failures. Click tracking gets mistaken for call tracking. Setting up number click instead of number shown gives a false sense of visibility. The data looks completed but is not. Reporting to stakeholders become guesswork. Without attributed call, explaining ROI to client or owner relies on anecdotes instead of numbers. So let's start. How can we set up this? See, this is my Google Ads account dashboard. In my previous video, I have already set up Google Ads conversion tracking like purchase event, add to cart, begin checkout. Okay, and you can see this is my Google Tag Manager web container. In my previous video, I have already set up Google Ads conversion tracking and Google Ads remarketing tag. So in this video, I will show you how can you set up Google Ads call conversion tracking. Let's start. How can we set up this? First of all, we need to go our Google Ads account. Then we need to create conversion. Okay. Simply I go my Google Ads account. Then you need to click on this create button. Okay. When you click on this button, here you can see three type of option. Okay. So you need to click on second like conversion action. Okay, I simply click here. Then you need to uncheck this option and you need to check this option like conversion from phone calls. Okay, and then you need to click save and continue. After that, you can see here many types of event. Okay, so you need to select a phone call lead. After you click phone call lead, then you need to see here on option like create conversion. Okay, so you need to click here. When you click here, you can see here types of two option like calls from ads and calls from website visit. First of all, we will create a conversion for calls from ads. That's why I am select this on. Then you need to click on save and continue. Okay, you can click edit setting. Okay, and here you can see this option. Okay, I simply edit this name by Chamok. Okay, after that everything is okay. I simply click done and then click save and continue, and we need to click finish. Okay, you can see my calls from ads conversion is successfully created. For this, we don't need to help Google Tag Manager. Okay, Google's automatically receive data from ads through this conversion event. Okay, that's why we don't need to help for Google Tag Manager. So our first on is successfully created. Then we will create for website visit. Okay, first of all, I will show my page. This is my about page and I have created for demo purpose. Okay, so you can see here I have set a phone number. This is a button. Okay, after that when I am scroll down, then you also see a button and this phone number. Okay, this is a button. When I am click here, so we will go dial pad. Okay, then we can call this. Okay, so right now we will create a conversion for website visit. When a user lands our website and he show the number and he type the number on his dial pad and call the businesses. Okay, so how can we track? We will see right now. Okay, for this you need to go your Google Ads account. So I am simply go my Google Ads account. Then you need to click create option, then click create conversion. After that you need to uncheck this option, then you simply check this conversion from phone calls. Okay, then need to click save and continue. After that you can see here are many types of option. So you simply select phone call lead and then click create conversion, and here you can see two types like calls from ads and calls from website visit. So we need to select right now calls from website visits. That's why I'm simply click here. After that we will see also two event like someone calls if a number shown on my website, and other someone makes a call by clicking a number on my website. So we will set up this on. Okay, so here you need to put your website number. Okay, that's why I am simply go back my about page and simply inspect this, and sim- I am simply copy this number and paste here. So you can see I have pasted my phone number, and after that here you need to put your phone number like display. Okay, here you can see my phone number is displayed on my button like this. You need to copy this number exactly, and you need to put here exact displayed phone number. Okay, that's why I'm simply click here and inspect this, and after that I'm simply copy this number. Okay, so you can see I have pasted my phone number, also I have pasted my display phone number, and then you need to click use this event. Okay, after that save and continue. Okay, when I am click save and continue, here you can see our conversion event is successfully created. Okay, just we need to configure this with Google Tag. See the event snippet. Okay, so here you can see this is our conversion ID and this is our conversion level. So we will use this information for configure this event with Google Tag Manager. Okay, so right now we will go back our Google Tag Manager and configure this event. Okay, so I'm simply go back my Google Tag Manager account, and here you need to click new option like new tabs like new tags. Okay, and then I'm click simply tag configuration, then select Google Ads. After that, you can see here many types of conversion option. Okay, so you need to simply select this option Google Ads calls from website conversion. Okay, so I'm simply click on this, and here you need to put your displayed phone number. Okay, so I have already copied this displayed phone number, that's why I'm simply paste here, and then you need to put here your conversion id. So I have already create a constant variable for my conversion id. Because of our Google Ads have uh, all events conversion id is the exact same, that's why we will use same conversion id for many events. Okay, so I'm simply click plus icon and choose my conversion id. Okay, our Google tag found in the container. After that, here you need to put your conversion level. I'm simply go back my Google Ads account, and I'm simply copy this conversion ID. Okay, then paste here. Here you need to add the trigger. Okay, so you can see this is my about page, and I have already set up this two button for this number. Okay, I don't have any number on my other page. I have already number on this about page. Okay, that's why I'm simply trigger on my about page. If you have these type of numbers in whole website, so you need to add all pages trigger. I'm simply use my about page because of I have only set this number on my about page. Okay, that's why I am simply trigger on about page. Okay, like when a user um, lands my about page, and uh, he will type this number on his dial pad and call the business, so it will automatically track through Google call forwarding number. Okay, that's why I'm simply copy the page path like this and go back Google Tag Manager, and here I'm click on triggering, and then click here plus icon, and after that click tag trigger configuration, and here I am simply choose window loaded. Okay, and I'm simply click summon some window loaded events. Here I need to select page path, then equals, then here I am put the about page path. Okay, and simply click here this about us, then I am click on this save button. Okay, and I am simply name of my text. Okay, Google Ads call conversion for show number, and I am simply save this text. Our event is successfully created. Okay, we will check this our conversion tracking is properly work or not for website shown number. Okay, that's why we need to submit our container. Okay, I'm simply submit my container. Okay, my container is successfully submitted. Now I am preview my container, and here I am put my about page URL because my phone number is available only about page. If your phone number is available whole website, so you can use your right domain like this. Okay, if my phone number is available only about page, that's why I'm simply use this URL, okay, for verify our conversion tracking. So I'm simply copy this about page URL and paste here. Also, you need to paste here uh, on extension like this text to verify our conversion tracking. Okay, it works properly or not. Okay, so I'm simply copy this and paste here, and simply cut the slash and click on connect button. So you can see our tag assistant is successfully connected, and here you can see on section. Okay, and here you can see attempting to auto replace. So you need to click here this force button. Okay, I'm simply click on force button. Okay, so when I am click the force button, Google automatically replace the forwarding number. Like you can see here, Google automatically replace our display number to Google's own forwarding number. Okay, Google will track through this forwarding number. That means our call conversion tracking is properly work. Okay, so we have verified it. So right now we have only one event for create. So right now I'm click on create, and then again click conversion action, and after that I'm uncheck this option and click on this option and simply save and continue. After that we will select phone call lead and then click create conversion, and then select calls from website visit again, and then we simply select the second option for someone makes a call by clicking a number on my website. Okay, that's why I'm click again use this event, and here I'm click simply save and continue. And here you can here we need to click on use Google tag manager, and here you can see our conversion ID and conversion level. So I'm simply go back my Google tag manager and configure this event. Okay, first on we will preview our container to collect some information. Okay, that's why I'm simply preview this container and connect. I'm simply click on force and go back again. Okay, here you can see our call conversion for show number is successfully fired. Okay, after that I'm simply close this, and I'm simply click on this button. Okay, I'm simply click here and go back again tag manager. So when I'm click on this my button. So here you can see click and link click event is properly loaded on my data layer. But for enable this option, we need to enable some variable, like you need to go variable option, and you need to enable some built-in variable like click element, click class, click id, click target, click url, and click text. So first of all, you need to enable these uh, clicks options. Okay. After that, you will see a link click and a click uh, event. Okay, on your data layer. Okay. So I have already enabled this. That's why I am uh, see this event on data layer. Okay. So when a user click on this button, so we will track this. Okay. That's why we can write a simple javascript code, and we can push this event like phone click on our data layer. Okay, I have already write javascript code for this event to track. Okay, I'm simply copy this script and go back my tag manager and click on text. After that, I'm click new, then click trigger tag configuration, then select custom HTML, and here I am push my script. So here you can see our event name is phone click and phone number. So this is our phone number. We will send this type of parameters on our phone click event. Okay, and then click text is call now button. No, our click text is this display number. Okay, that's why I'm simply uh, click and expand this, and sorry, and simply copy this and place paste here. Okay, after that paste location, so it will ensure our page location. Okay, it will automatically grab our page link. Okay, so I'm simply click on trigger option and then click plus button and click trigger configuration, and here I am choose just link trigger. Okay, and click some link click. Okay, and here we will use click url. Okay, uh, to uh, to to configure this trigger, we need to click on the link click option, and then you need to click variable, and here you simply scroll, and here you can see click url. Okay, click url, and this is our click url. So I'm simply copy this and paste here, and remove this, and now we can see set this equals, and simply click on save button, and I'm simply name of this variable phone click, and simply click save. Okay, then I am simply name of my and then I'm simply add the name of my trigger custom html. Okay, we need to simply submit our container. Okay, that's why I'm click submit and publish. Then we will preview our container. That's why I'm click preview. and here I am simply paste my about page URL and click connect. Okay, I'm simply preview my website, and you can see our Google Tag Assistant is successfully connected. So I'm simply tap on my button. So I'm click here. When I'm click here, you can see a custom event will automatically push on our data layer like phone call click. And also you can see here some parameters like phone number, click text, and page location. So this custom event is pushed by our custom HTML tag. We will use this event for triggering. Okay, so I'm simply create a new event. That's why I click new and click tag configuration. After that, click Google Ads. Then we need to choose Google Ads conversion tracking, not Google Ads calls from website conversion. Okay, so I'm simply choose this, and here you need to put your conversion ID. That's why I'm simply choose my conversion ID, and here you need to put your conversion level. That's why I'm simply go back my Google Ads account and simply copy this conversion level and paste here. After that, you need to add a trigger. Okay, that's why I'm click here and then click plus button for create a new trigger and click trigger configuration. After that, I'm simply choose custom event, and here you need to put your event name like phone click. Okay, I'm simply click this and paste here, also paste here. Then you need to click save button, and here you need to add your event name. So I'm simply add the event name Google Ads call conversion tracking click to call. Okay, and simply save this text, and then you need to preview your container again to verify this properly work or not. Okay, that's why I'm again submit my container and click publish. I have submit my container. I'm just preview my container to verify our tracking configuration. Okay, that's why I'm click preview and click connect. Okay, you can see our Google Tag Assistant is successfully connected, and I'm simply go back my Tag Assistant, and here you can see our Google Ads conversion for show number is successfully fired. We have verified this before. Okay, right now we will verify our click to call event is successfully work or not. Okay, that's why I'm simply click on this button or this button. I'm simply click on this button and click here. When I click here, I think a custom event will push on the data layer like phone click. Okay, I'm simply go back here, and you can see here a custom event that we have create using custom JavaScript code here successfully pushed, and our Google Ads call conversion tracking click to call event is properly fired. That means our tracking configuration is properly work. Okay, and when I'm go back my Google Ads account and click finish and simply refresh our accounts, and then uh, you can see here the event is inactive. It will automatically fix when a user will click on our ad and tap a phone number or click on our website fonts. So it will automatically fix. Okay. So that's for today's video. I hope this video will help you understand Google Ads call conversion tracking better. If this video is helpful for you, so you can like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, so you can comment me. I will reply on your comment later. In our next video, we will cover how can you track Canally from. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.